You turned on your computer one day, and out of nowhere, this screen appeared here, BitLocker recovery. So in this video I will show you how to get out of this screen and regain access to your computer when this BitLocker recovery screen appears. It means that your ISK is encrypted, right? They are Microsoft. They have this protection system for the disks that sometimes, for some reason, sometimes you went for an upgrade, took the computer for maintenance, or just removed and put back the HD, or sometimes not even that. Sometimes they updated the Windows, so BIOS updated. Something happened for this to happen here. You lost the settings right there. Are a series of reasons that can pause this screen here, and when you are on this screen you cannot access your files in any way. There is this screen here. When you turn on the computer, this screen appears. You can no longer access your files. You can't access your system. So in this video, I will show you how to access it again, right? Recover access to your computer if it gave you this screen here of BitLocker recovery very quickly, very practical. In this video, it's a tutorial beauty. First step is to go to Google and type here in Google BitLocker. BitLocker beauty. I typed here in Google BitLocker. The first link he gave me is the Microsoft link, which is the link that explains it, right? What is this key? What is this key? And there are some solutions for us, so I'm going to go here at that link here. It has some explanations and everything. I'm not going to stick to that, okay? I'm going to go here later. If you want, take a look, go to the link, read a little bit about what is being said about this here. Right below it is here. Where can I find a recovery key? It has several options here, right? One of them is attached to your Microsoft account. This is the option that we are going to use it. So here it is showing here. It has this link here from another device, so you don't have access to your computer, but you can access the same link on your cell phone from another computer belonging to a friend of a relative, right? Or if you have another computer in your house, you can access it too. So here let's access this link here. This link, it will ask you for a login password, right? If I hadn't logged in, I'll log out here. If I wasn't logged in, it would ask me here for login and password, so I'll log in here, right, in my account. Oh, I have that Hotmail email, so try logging into that Hotmail email. I don't know what email mail that I entered, so you will try the emails you have. I enter the email, and no key appeared. It has to appear like this. Oh, the keys you have, your recovery keys, they are here. I didn't enter them. My email, Hotmail, Outlook, can even try Gmail, because you can Microsoft it authorizes you to create accounts. It's not an email account, it's a Microsoft account. So it's a login, right? Basically, it's a login. You're going to log in you and log in with your Gmail account and Hotmail. Try trying email alternatives so you can find it in an account. It will be okay. So what does this mean? It means that this key will be in at other person's account if they logged into Microsoft and Microsoft enabled the BitLocker at that time. This login is in the user, right, in that person's email at Microsoft. So if you still have contact with this person, right, try to get in touch, right? And if you don't, it's the contact, or there aren't many important files here. It's already backed up, right? You can simply format this computer. Okay, you can, I'll delete everything. Learn how to use a computer, right? Take it to a technician or do it yourself. Do it. Based on your knowledge, you can format this computer, clean everything in, regain access to the computer. Okay, so this is an alternative. There are other alternatives on my YouTube channel. I talk about more options for you to access your computer and regain access, right? And there's also my consultancy. In the description, there's a link for you to access my BitLocker consultancy. Solve it by watching none of my videos. Watching this video here, trying this here, you can get in touch with us, right? So go to the link. Go there, but first, try these things. It's free, right? There are videos on YouTube, alright, so that's it. I hope I helped. If you like this video, leave a like. Leave your comment. This helped me here, so it doesn't hurt for you to comment there. Look, this video helped me, right? I managed to recover my key for this video. This will make YouTube distribute this video to more people so that we can help more people who are facing this problem, because it is very annoying, and this is it, right? What I'm doing is really to help, right? I've already helped a lot of people. I've already made a video about it. Here it is. So that's it. Thank you. See you later.